Hi, my name is John from Blackbird Productions, and today I'll be unboxing a couple of new Tesla accessories for my new Tesla Model 3 Performance that I'll be taking delivery for approximately next week, depending on when this video comes out. The first thing I have here are some console trays. I know there's a lot of third-party console trays that you can buy, but I'm just not too convinced about the quality with those. I know there's like a lot of tacky stuff that you can get for your Tesla. Don't get me wrong, there's some good stuff out there, but I wanted to go the official route because this being my first Tesla, I wanted all of the items that I acquire in terms of accessories to be rather longer lasting than just lasting for a short time and just breaking. The console trays themselves are pretty decent. They are plastic, but it's like a very hard plastic, and the plastic feels pretty quality. There's some felt in the inside, and all in all, the entire package just looks very quality. I'll say the box, in terms of what was in the box, it was pretty bare bones. It's just two console trays, one bigger one, and I think there was one that was split into two, or maybe there might have been like another one that was identical, but it was pretty simple packaging. The second thing I have here is the official mobile connector from Tesla, which includes two adapters. My understanding is one plugs up to the dryer plug. I forget what it's called, and it's labeled on there. But I'll put a link in the description so you guys can take a look at that. And then I also have another adapter which plugs into a regular household outlet. That's the one I'll be using to charge my Tesla, just because I don't really have a whole lot of places to go at the moment. The cable itself is pretty quality. I think it actually feels a lot like those EV America charger cables. It feels very industrial and robust, but overall it feels very quality. The only thing that felt odd was there was some sort of oily residue on the cabling itself. I'm not exactly sure what that is. I didn't like that was the first thing I felt when I touched the cable, and it looked like it may be some sort of oil wearing off or breaking down on the cable that was used during manufacturing. It could be due to heat or cold, because I'm not sure how long these chargers have been on the shelf, like inside of a factory or whatever. But it was pretty odd. Other than that, it feels pretty nice. The other thing that's worth pointing out is that the charger actually came with a bag, which is pretty cool. The only downside is that it actually doesn't have a handle, so you just kind of have to lug it around, which it's not the end of the world. But the bag itself is pretty quality. The zipper is quality, so it's not going to break on you. And then also the back has a rough material. I'm not sure exactly what you call it. It's not a felt material, but it's very rough. And it's to prevent the bag from sliding around, in this case in your trunk or your frunk. The next item I have here are some wheel locks, which I talked to my dad about this because he was like, well, I don't think wheel locks are necessary on a car like this, just given that it has cameras and stuff all around. But you never want to be too careful, especially with the Performance Model 3, just because the wheels are very unique to that specific car, at least for the 2024 model year. I'm not sure what any of the other years used in terms of wheels, but I just wanted to be safe and get the wheel locks. They were relatively cheap. I think they were like $50 as of posting this video. At least prices can change, obviously. So it was kind of a no-brainer to get it as one of my first purchases when I was looking into accessories for my new Tesla. And the final item I have here are some mud flaps, and these actually there's only two of them that actually came in the box, which was kind of odd to me. But other than that, they feel pretty quality. I mean, they feel like a mud flap. I mean, there's nothing like super special about these. But I will say the hardware that came in the box, like the like little plugs, I forgot what those are called. Those are pretty quality. I've gotten some cheap ones before, only to have them just melt on me in the sun, or they just pop out of where they're supposed to be, or they just don't fit right, and it's just yeah. These are pretty quality. The other thing is I'm not super sure why Tesla decided to like put these in this big box, because believe it or not, this was actually the biggest box out of all of the accessories that I've gotten. And it's like when you open it up and then you take out just like the cardboard separator that's holding the mud flaps on, it's just like a void in there. It's just like an empty box. So I'm not sure. Maybe there was supposed to be two mud flaps that came with this specific accessory package, but I have no idea. I'll have to do a little bit more research online myself, because maybe there's a chance that I might have to just buy another set just to match the front and the rear wheels, because I can't imagine just like doing just two mud flaps. I'll have to go all the way around just to make it match, and just so I can get full protection around the entire I guess lower half of the vehicle, just from rocks and things like that. So these are the accessories I will be putting on my new 2024 Tesla Model 3 Performance. Again, I'm taking delivery of it next week, so feel free to subscribe, and I will be posting a video of that delivery day as well. I think it's gonna be sometime Thursday if it doesn't change before then. I don't see any reason why it would, but definitely stay on the lookout for that. And thank you for watching, and make sure you leave a like, leave a comment if you have any questions about any of the accessories that I have, and I hope to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.